Hey guys, this is an SAP FICO training video for business partner configuration. Waiting for my technology to catch up. Okay, this is SAP FICO training. In particular, we're talking about accounts payable within FICO. Okay, now a subtopic of accounts payable is business partner. And within business partner, there's a topic of discussion, which is business partner configuration. And this training video is solely focused on business partner configuration within business partner, within accounts payable, within SAP FICO. So if these videos are helping you all with your SAP FICO training journey, please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment in the chat. Let me know what kind of day you are having or what kind of day you had, depending on what time it is. I am concerned and I do care, and I hope you all are having a great day/night. Okay, so since this video is solely focused on configuration only, I do have some information in here. Just like general information, but most of this is configuration, and we're all in configuration screens and menu paths to configuration. So I don't have my typical question answer format going here because I don't want to be confusing at all with configuration. Okay. So with that being said, we're diving right in. Let's take this menu path to define business partner groups and number ranges. Cross application components, SAP business partner, basic settings, number ranges and groupings, define groupings, and assign number ranges. This is a list of business partner groups and their number ranges. Business partner groups to the left, number ranges here to the right. Have them highlighted on the screen. You're welcome. When creating a business partner from a specific group here, a number range here will be assigned from the corresponding number range. Number will be assigned from this number range. Okay. More information. The system creates separate account numbers for the business partner and the vendor. So it is best practice that the business partner and the vendor have the same number. Okay. They're separate numbers, but we want them to be the same numbers, if that makes any sense. Saying that they're separate numbers just mean theoretically, technically, they can be different numbers, but best practice is to make them the same number, the business partner and the vendor. Okay. When posting to the vendor account number is used, but and the vendor account number means the general ledger account number, which is the reconciliation account. So here, when posting to the vendor account number is used, but you should have the same numbers assigned on levels. Here's the menu path to maintain actual number ranges for business partners. Cross application components, SAP business partner, basic settings, number ranges and groupings, define number ranges. Okay, here the number range object is BU underscore partner. I have it highlighted in red there. we're going to click on the edit intervals button so we can modify these number ranges. All right, so here you can modify the number ranges or create new number ranges for use in business partner groups. So the business partner group, BU underscore partner, has these number range numbers, right? If you were saying, hey, how in the heck is BF a number range? Well, within BF, you have these number ranges from 501 to 600, right? So the number range number is a description of the number ranges, or a kind of a code used to identify what number range will be used. But these are the actual number ranges, and these are where they are maintained or modified or configured, all saying the same thing. Okay, here's the menu path to define the vendor groups with their number ranges. Financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, vendor accounts, master data, preparations for creating vendor master data, assign number ranges to vendor account groups. Okay, here number ranges can be assigned to various vendor groups. So if you look at this, you might say, hey, that's not a number range, that's two letters. But remember on that previous screen, there is an associated number range assigned to this number range identification. This is a number range identification, but there are actual number ranges assigned to these identifications, right? And now these number ranges are assigned to groups. Okay, here's the group, and we put the number range here. That number range is now assigned to the corresponding group. Okay, menu path to define actual number ranges. Financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, vendor accounts, master data, preparations for creating vendor master data, create number ranges for vendor accounts. So here, the number range object is creditor. And we're going to do the same thing. Click on this interval button to change the number ranges. Okay. So here, you can change the numbers behind the vendor number range identification by changing the numbers in the to and from columns. Same setup. So if you had AT, you said, what AT? AT isn't a number range. You're right, but it is a number range ID. And the number range assigned to that ID is 800 to 899, right? Okay. The next step is to configure the customer vendor integration, CVI. Now, CVI links the business partner to the customer vendor. Menu path to configure the synchronization control for business partners. Cross application components, master data synchronization, synchronization control, activate PPO requests for platform objects in the dialog. Okay, so here you activate the synchronization object BP for post-processing by selecting the PPO active checkbox. So all you do is click there and the magic happens. All right. Okay. And remember, PPO is post-processing. So that's post-processing active. Here's the menu path to configure the link between the business partner and vendor. Cross application components, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, settings for vendor integration, set BP role category for direction BP to vendor. So here's a list of business partner roles related to vendors. Business partner roles all here, okay, regarding vendors. So we're going to double click FLVN00, which is the business partner role for financial accounting vendors. Double click that guy. All right, now here we select vendor based. See, vendor based, got it in red. So what does this selection do? This selection makes it mandatory to have a vendor for this business partner role. And when this is selected, the system automatically creates or updates the vendor with relevant data in financial accounting when you process the business partner in this role. Okay, menu path to configure the integration from vendor to business partner. Cross application components, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, settings for vendor integration, define a BP role for vendor to BP. Okay, so here you map vendor groups with business partner roles. Here's the groups, here's the business partner roles, and they're mapped together. To make changes, to toggle between changes the display, you go there. You can click new entries to add stuff. Okay. Select new entries from the top menu to link the relevant vendor groups to desired business partner roles. All they're saying is you click new entries to make a new entry. Now, when vendor groups and partner roles are linked, like you see here, the system will create or update a business partner in the business partner roles that are assigned to the vendor group when you process a vendor with the relevant account group. Thank you. Hey, if these videos are helping you on your SAP journey, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the chat. Let me know how you feel. How's your health doing? Are you all in good health? I hope everyone is in good health and stays in good health. Hey, thank you for your time. Until next time. Peace. Peace.